Hello, my dear friends. Привет, дорогие друзья. We have learned food in Russian. You can click the link here if you didn't watch this lesson. And New Year is coming, you know. Christmas is coming for you and New Year for us. I think it's a good idea to revise food vocabulary and to tell you about Russian cuisine a little and immerse you in cultural aspects of celebrating New Year in Russia. Today we are going to speak about different winter salads that we eat. Let's go! To tell you the truth, we don't eat them only in winter. Like, they are traditional for celebrating New Year. Let's start with the king of New Year feast, olivier, or you know it as Russian salad. Why we call it olivier? Because originally this salad was cooked in France by chef Olivier. Was he chef actually? I don't know the story, but well, this salad has the surname of this man. And originally this salad was cooked with chicken fillet, as I know. Well, in the USSR, I think there was no so much chicken fillet affordable for people, and they made some corrections to the recipe. And now I'm going to tell you the classical Soviet-style оливье recipe. Итак, для оливье нам нужно, допустим, как готовлю я. Нам нужно 4 средних картошки, небольшая банка соленых огурцов, pickles, как вы говорите, или маринованные огурцы по-другому, вареная колбаса, примерно 400 грамм, 4 яйца, банка зеленого горошка и майонез. So, the recipe is really easy. First of all, wash your potatoes. Don't peel them, just wash them and boil them in their skin. Boil them like this for 20 minutes after the water started boiling, and check their readiness by putting knife or a fork into them. So they should be not like mashed potato, just soft enough. Well, at the same time, boil eggs. Eggs should be boiled hard. While they are boiling, cut sausages, порежьте колбасу and pickles и ваши соленые огурцы in small pieces, на небольшие кусочки кубиками. Then, when your eggs and potatoes ready, you need to cool them off. So you can just pour cold water into the bowl with your eggs and let them cool off. With potatoes, you can, if it's cold outside, you can just take your pot with potatoes, of course without water. So last time I just put this pot on my balcony. And when the potatoes and eggs are cold enough, peel them and cut them the same size as the sausage and pickles. Mix everything and add green peas. Green peas. Зеленый горошек. Then stir everything with a tablespoon. And an important secret: you can keep this mixture in your fridge. And when you are ready to eat olivier, well, if there are several people, you can take the salad out of the fridge and then put a quantity of ingredients of mixture that you need into a huge bowl or salad bowl, and then salt it. Add salt, pepper if you like, but I never add pepper, and mayonnaise. Then mix everything with a tablespoon, and that's it. Or I do, if it is not a New Year celebration, I can cook this salad in summer too. I just put a small, a needed quantity into our dining plates, just, make it in portions, not in a huge bowl. And this is important with all New Year or winter salads. Don't mix everything with mayonnaise or oil, so don't add dressing to the whole mixture and don't salt it until you are ready to eat it. Otherwise, it can go off. Иначе салат может испортиться через какое-то время. Of course it can go off without it, but if you do like this, your salad will stay fresh longer and you can eat it without food poisoning. I think I won't talk about other salads in so much details. I think now you get the idea how to cook potatoes, how to boil potatoes and eggs and so on. I have another light version of this salad, and probably it is closer to original Olivier salad, or also I can say that it is like summer version of Olivier. Instead of sausage, I can use boiled chicken fillet, and instead of pickles, I can use fresh cucumbers, свежие огурцы. And instead of mayonnaise, I can use sour cream, smetana. This variation of Olivier is lighter and sometimes it just feels tastier, but no one cooks like that for New Year. Okay, next salad is vinaigrette. Vinaigrette – это, наверное, один из самых любимых салатов моего мужа и меня тоже. Я, наверное, больше люблю винегрет, чем оливье. It's much easier to cook, actually. Вам понадобится квашеная капуста, соленые огурцы, консервированная фасоль или вареная фасоль, вареная свекла. Yes, that's it. And this salad is dressed with olive oil and salt. Yeah, of course you should cut everything that should be cut, and that's it. If you don't know how to boil a beetroot, Google it, otherwise this video will be too long. Okay, vinaigrette is the best. It's very delicious. Очень вкусно. Next salad is крабовый салат, or салат с крабовыми палочками. There are lots of variations of this salad, lots of ingredients can be changed, and probably every woman, every girl cooks it in different ways. Well, for me, the most traditional version of this salad is the following. 4 вареных картошки, 4 вареных яйца, пачка крабовых палочек, 1 банка консервированной кукурузы. Yeah? Cut everything that should be cut, and the same, add mayonnaise and salt when you are ready to eat this mixture. This is very nice and tasty, and I also cook it during the year, not only for New Year. The next salad is my father's favorite salad. It is called селедка под шубой. I don't like this salad so much as my father does. This salad takes a lot of efforts to do, and for it you need селедка, a herring. It is salted, I think. I just bought a herring in supermarkets. It is filet, which is already cut into long pieces, and you don't need salt it and clean it, and you don't need to do anything with this herring, you know? But my parents prefer to buy the whole herring in the local market, and they cut it, take out the insides of it. I don't do this. I buy the ready one. Селедка, вареная свекла, but you should not cut it, but, well, for this salad you need to grate everything. Тереть все на терке, except herring. You should cut herring into small pieces. Also you need лук, вареный картофель и майонез. Well, now I'm going to tell you how to make this salad in a classical way. It is a layered salad. The first layer is herring cut into pieces. For me, the problem is that you should spread mayonnaise on each layer. I don't like it. It becomes too fatty, too much calories in it. Okay, the next layer is onion that has been marinated. You can cut onion and put it into some vinegar or hot boiled water, and it should lay there for some time, like maybe 10 minutes, and in that case pieces of onion become tasty and they are not bitter in that case. After onion goes mayonnaise and grated potato, then probably salt and mayonnaise, and then the top layer is grated beetroot, and then mayonnaise again. So this is beautiful, and that's why this salad is called селедка под шубой, herring under fur, because these layers make this fur, шуба. So as I said, I don't like so much mayonnaise in it, so if I cook it, which I do really rare actually, I don't make so much layers with mayonnaise, probably only after onion and at the top. Oh, I forgot, there is also a carrot layer. Yes, after onion there goes a layer of grated carrot, herring, onion, carrot, potato, beetroot, mayonnaise. It's tasty, but so you got the idea. Well, I think that's the easiest salad that you can do for New Year. There are some others, some more difficult, like granatовый браслет or mimosa. Mimosa is actually not so difficult to cook, but I think it's not so widespread for New Year. Granatовый браслет is very difficult to cook. It takes much time and effort and some agility to make a beautiful bracelet. I cooked it maybe 3 times in my life because it is quite time consuming. Okay, I think that's enough for today. Leave your favorite Christmas recipes in the comments, and I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year! С Новым годом!